Hello, class 5 students. I hope you all are fine and studying well also. Today, we are going to continue chapter 13 Saving Our Resources Part 2. In this video, you are going to learn about non renewable resources, need to conserve non renewable resources, fuels, ways to conserve fuels, minerals, and ways to conserve minerals. Our first topic is non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resource is a natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. It is a finite resource. Fossil fuels such as oil, natural gas, coal are some of the examples of non-renewable resources. Next topic is need to conserve non-renewable resources. Fossil fuels were formed within the earth from the dead plants and animals over millions of years. They are present in limited quantity on earth and their overuse will lead to depletion of resources. If we don't use them wisely, then our future generations will not have sufficient amounts of these resources to enjoy them as the gift of the nature. Next topic is fuels. The three major forms of fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. They take millions of years in their formation from the remains of living organisms. Fossil fuels are non renewable in nature, so if these resources are depleted, they will never be available again. Now let us learn about ways to conserve fuels. Conversion into fuel efficient forms like CNG, using a hybrid car, using public mode of transportation and carpool, make more use of renewable sources of energy like using solar energy or windmills to generate electricity. Next topic is minerals. Minerals are solid substances that are present in nature and can be made up of one element or more elements combined together. They are underground natural resources. All rocks are made up of minerals. Why should we conserve minerals? Mineral resources are limited in nature and it takes millions of years in their formation. They are non renewable resources, so we should use them in such a manner that our future generations can also enjoy the gift of nature. Last topic is ways to conserve minerals. Minerals must be used in a planned and sustainable manner. Recycling of metals should be done. Use of alternative renewable substitutes. Reducing wastage in the process of mining. Improvement in the technique of extraction and purifying the minerals. Keynote: we should take a pledge to take care of our environment. We should waste less and recycle more. We should use the alternate sources of energy and plant more trees. Thank you, students. That's end of chapter 13. Stay safe and keep learning.